This is Redfeather from Greppax. In this Kdenlive video, we will be showing you how to place a quad screen video into an artistic created item. If you have seen our prior video called Krita to Kdenlive Editing for Inspiration, you would have heard us mention, and as you can see, this simulated laptop is at an angle. Utilizing the Kdenlive effect, pan and zoom, worked great for a single placement of a video into the simulated laptop, but as you can see, the implementation of quad screen is a little harder. So, in this Kdenlive tutorial, we will be using a different effect called corner geometry. Open Kdenlive, bring in the quad screen video you would like to work with, and the item you wish to place your quad screen video into. In our case, the simulated laptop we created in Krita with a zero opacity background. If you are using a PNG to which you created with a zero opacity as we have imported here, place the PNG on top of the video on the Kdenlive timeline. If you did not, then place it underneath the video for this procedure. Once this is done in Kdenlive, go to the effects list, type corner. Grab the corner's geometry effect, placing it into the quad screen video on the timeline. Notice in my Kdenlive project monitor, I now have 4 yellow squares, 1 in each corner. Go to one of the corners in the project monitor, dragging it to what appears to be the proper position. Once this is done, go to the next corner, grabbing and moving it to a proper position. Repeat this operation until all the quad screen video is shrunk down enough to fit within the framing of the PNG area. If you have not noticed yet, what this is going to do in Kdenlive is give us the opportunity to place a bit of an angular view for our quad screen. Also, you may notice my PNG of the simulated laptop is not the right size, and you can see the background color, or what some like to call black borders. So let us fix this. Go to the Kdenlive's effects list. If this is also the case for you, click on the effects list, type zoom, grab the pan and zoom, placing it into the PNG on the timeline. Once this is done in Kdenlive, in the effects properties window of Kdenlive, put a check mark in the distort box. Once this is done in Kdenlive, if you made this adjustment as I did, you will have to readjust the corner's geometry effect. Once this is done in Kdenlive, give it a playback. If you are happy, it is then time to render your project. The rest of this video is my rendered project. I hope you have enjoyed this Kdenlive tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber. And ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, ladies and gentlemen, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1. Thank you in advance. I am out.